Yuri teacher. Yuri teacher time. I was a little hot. And I was using my fan. This is so good. Anyways, guys, how are you guys doing today? Yuri teacher is kind of hungry. I'm right now very hungry and starving. I want to eat something. I want some tacos, and I want some ramen, and I want some very thick cheese pizza, and I love jjajangmyeon too. And guys, today Yuri teacher is going to see if you guys can remember all the long U sounds words. Okay? Yes. Ryan and I. Are you eating something right now? You eating something right now in front of the screen? Maybe not. Maybe yes. Alright, so guys, we're going to go over all the U words together, long U words together. So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Elsa, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Say yes, I'm ready. Ooh la la. You're too young for this. Anyways, guys, we're going to go over all the U words, okay? But before we go over all the words, let's go over all the sounds first, okay? So everybody, what is this, everybody? This is U. This is right? But with the magic E, this sounds like yuk, yuk, right? What about this one? This is yum, right? And what about this one? This is use. This is ute. And last week we went over all the huge word. Huge. Got it? Huge. And this is Some of you guys are still confused with the B and D. When you eat, this is your right hand. When you eat and write, this is your right hand. This is B, okay? B, and this left hand is D, not B. D, right? So this one is right? U. Got it? And what is this? Yule. And this is yoon, right? We went over all these ones last week and these words this week, right? So we're gonna go over all the U sounds words together very quickly, okay, guys? Alright, so guys, right here, this is huge, huge, right? And this mule. Say the words. Are you following? Yes? What about Lily? I can hear your voice, Lily. Lily, speak louder. Okay, Lily? Alright, so this is mule. And this is duke. This is the name actually. Duke. Hello, Duke. Where's Duke? Alright, so this is a fume. And this is mute. And this is cute. Got it? Your teacher cute? Is your teacher cute? Yes? Ryan K is cute, right, everybody? Ryan Cute is very cute. Alright, so cute. Yvonne, you're cute too. And with the glasses. This is Yvonne. This week, Yvonne wore glasses. Anyways, guys, this one is fuse. This is use. This is tube. Tube. And this is cube. And this is dune. Tune. And this June. June. Got it? Did you hear me? You gotta focus and listen to your teacher's voice and speak it out. Got it? So everybody, right now we are going to do the dictation. So your teacher's gonna come back with the pictures. Be right back. I'll be right back. Back with the pictures. All right, so are you guys ready to write it down on your paper right now? Okay, yes or no? All right, so everybody, number 1, I'm going to pick the picture and say the words, okay? I can't see anything on the back. From the bag, I can't see anything. I'm just gonna pick the cards, okay? I'm gonna mix the cards again. I'm gonna mix the cards. See right here? I'm going to pick number 1. Number 1. Oh, is this one? Okay, so this is mute. Write it down right now. This is number 1, guys. Number 1, mute. What time is it? It's 11:15. Okay, number 1, mute. Number 2. Number 2. Oh, this is a fume. Number 2. Fume. This is fume. Bad fume. And number 3. What is this? What is this? Cat with the heart? Cat with the heart? What is this? This is number 3, right? This is cute. Number 3, cute. Cute. You're cute. Ryan K is cuter. So this is cute. Everybody, cute. Number 3, cute. Cute. Okay, you're cute too. Anyways, number 4. Pick from 3. Number 4. Oh, this is fuse. Fuse. Got it? Yes? Fuse. Joyce, are you writing it down? Yes? Fuse. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Número 5. Number 5. What is this, guys? This is use. He's using a pencil, so this is use. He's using a pencil. Use. Use. Got it? And what about this one? It's a boy. Oh, I know what this is. This is Duke. His name is Duke. Duke is the name. Duke. Hello, Duke. Your name is Duke. Have you eaten something today? His name is Duke. Alright, so everybody, you guys did an excellent work. And I heard it's going to be rain again over the weekend. So be safe. And I'll see you guys next Monday with the homework. Okay? Ryan K is doing so well. And he does his homework every single week. And Ryan he does his homework every week, but sometimes he misses it because he left homework in his backpack. Right? And Joyce, do you really do your homework at home or not? And other boys and girls, you guys are doing so well on homework, so your teacher is so happy. So everybody, be safe. It's gonna rain over the weekend, so I'll see you guys next Monday with the homework.